Team meeting starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi everyone. Today Coach Carly is going to show you how to make animal toast. So when we're done, your toast is going to look like the animal of your choice, like this bear. There are 10 steps to make our animal toast. Step 1. You have to ask the adult in your house if it's okay for you to be preparing food in the kitchen. Coach Carly's done that step, so she can check it off our checklist. Step 2. We have to wash our hands just like Coach Robbie showed us before we prepare food. Coach Carly already did that step, so she can check it off our checklist. Step 3, we need to toast our bread. Coach Carly likes to toast her bread. If you don't like your bread toasted, that's okay. You can do it without toasting your bread. Step number 4, we need to put our spread on top of our bread. Coach Carly is going to use peanut butter. You might use something like jam, or wow butter, or cream cheese. You can use whatever is yummy for you. So we're just gonna spread it right on top. And then we can check it off our list. Step number 5 is to wash and cut our fruit. Now Coach Carly already did that so that you didn't have to watch. So I've chopped up some banana, I have some Cheerios, I've watched some blueberries, and I have some strawberries ready to go. So step number 6, we need to make some eyes on our animal face. Coach Carly's gonna make a monkey on her toast, and I'm gonna use some blueberries for my eyes. Step 7 is to make a nose. I'm going to use a banana for my nose. Step 8 is to make some ears. I'm going to use banana for my monkey ears. Step 9 asks, what else could you add? Your animal might need something like whiskers, or a mouth, or some feathers. I'm going to use a strawberry to give my monkey a mouth. And now my monkey's all done. The last step is to eat it. Enjoy, everyone!